Now, India Today news break creates ripples. Aryan Khan case witness Prabhakar Sale at Mumbai Top Cop's office claims that 25 crore rupees was sought by Samir Wankhede. Eyewitness Sale set to file a complaint now. This is an explosive twist to Aryan Khan's drug probe. Let's take a listen. Prabhakar Sale speaks to the media.
प्रभाकर जी पुलिस कंप्लेंट फाइल करने के लिए आए हैं। पुलिस कंप्लेंट फाइल करने के लिए
एक मिनट वापस आ रहे हेलो वापस आ रहे हैं।
वापस आने के बाद मैं बात करता हूँ।
All right, India Today there on its toes trying to find what exactly has happened. This is witness number one. Remember, Prabhakar Sale has accused the NCB of extortion. These are grave allegations. He also says that he was forced by Samir Wankhede to sign on a blank panchnama. Let me cut across to Vidya reporting live from Mumbai for more on this. Vidya, take us through exactly what Prabhakar Sale now plans to do. Initially, he was witness. He agreed to what Samir Wankhede asked him to do. He signed on a blank panchnama. He even was part, according to him, he says he was part of a massive extortion deal that was being planned but was eventually never fruitified. Now, these are the allegations he's made. What kind of action he plans to take? How is he going to elevate this matter? Is he going to court?
Well, if you look at this entire story, there are two sides of the entire coin. Now, the investigating officer, Samir Wankhede, has approached the special court, NDPS court, and said that witnesses are being influenced. So that's one certain aspect of it. While on the other hand, Prabhakar himself has been saying that there is a lot of pressure on him, and he's one of the reasons why he's actually reached the Mumbai Police Commissioner's office is to try to see to it that a complaint is registered, which in fact, Nawab Malik himself, the cabinet minister, had been stating that there would be cases against Wankhede. If you remember, some time back he had been talking about it, and that Wankhede will have to go to jail for the kind of activities he has been doing. So certainly in this particular case, the entire allegations are pretty personal in nature in this particular case, and that's one of the reasons why Wankhede had to reach the court and tell the court as to how witnesses are being influenced. Prabhakar, on the other hand, is trying to tell the court, will try to tell the Mumbai police that there is an investigation needed as to how this particular case has a bit of corruption angle in it, has a bit of, because it is, as you can see, there is a high-profile case with Aryan Khan being involved in it. There are, the NCB is going ahead and, not really following legal procedures as it is to be done. Like spot panchnama has to be done on the spot itself, not with a blank paper that a punch witness would sign later or beforehand on a blank paper. So all these things, the allegations of corruption and all that needs to be investigated is something that Prabhakar is telling Mumbai police, and that's one of the reasons why he is at the police commissioner's office, so that a legal recourse to this can be taken.